I want to start running a mix up. No, I look a mix up and drama. I should pick out lash them to blood clad. I really need to pick up.
One shoulder move. Yes, people, welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining us. Queen Gangster Lady. Queenie has been stirring an uproar. Yes, the internet is ablaze, as usual. Queenie out here saying she find a solution to her problem. She not listen to nobody when I talk about oh she need to go get young boy or she need to find her older man. Queenie has found a rose. Yes. What is a rose, you may ask? Well, for those who don't know, a rose is a battery stimulated device that women use for sexual stimulation. You know? So as Queenie, according to Queenie, she need this for lean her clit. Yes. So this is gonna be a doozy. It's one shoulder move, people, a growing community. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Tell your friends about us and help us grow. So in this one, Queenie seems a little bit, upward. Lately she been looking down, but she seems bright. People in the comments been saying, yeah, Queenie, your makeup look nice and you look up. And maybe she stopped stressing. But we don't know about that. Because if you check the channel later, you have a video with Dowey, and showing you what Dewey is going on with Canada. And this one is really gonna be good. Because if Queenie said this, we don't know if she go too, please. And be so happy online. So, but everybody have them opinion towards what go on. You let us know in the comment section. The video coming up now, people. So, on to the video.
I do want you know, but I gave it away. Why? Father God. Listen, only come here, let me tell you something, little girl. So you don't know some have one bag with your own 12 vibrator in it. Come put all of them in a one little cloth bag. And for the love of Christ, I'm come here. Come, I'm give you the little rose one at Jamaica. I can't go Jamaica and give it away. But my original bag of vibrator, I'm saying I search it at night time. I'm there, I want a little clit for lean. No vibrator, girl.
Right. What color you like? I have yellow, purple, blue, black. What color you like? I have purple, yellow, blue, pink, black. What color you want? Okay, I'll send you the black one. So I'm gonna message the number. I'm gonna message the number and I'm gonna send you a kit with the stuff in them.
Jesus Christ.
Queen. No problem. I'm gonna message you and I'm gonna text the number as well.
All right, Udlin, clean fat pussy. Udlin, say your pussy clean up fat.
Later.
Bless up. Girl power. Thank you. Udlin. All right, that is that. Lord. Yeah, black is best. How would that Gerald, Jacqueline? The black is best in it. I can't put my favorite color brown and I like brown color, but in a situation like that now, I'm quick pink. Quick for pink. Black represent for black people. I go double tap. Hey, the little rose, the wood, you freak. Me say, me to get word for a Bourbon. I'm me to promote for Sasha. I'm a give you. Me say, all my day I search through my bag of vibrator. I can't find them. Becks, not even one, because the whole of them in the same bag. You are love, remember that. I truth. Oh God, keep it so nice. But I said, but through my rough just keep me alive in it. It make me maintain my stability as a person. Because it's a cruel, rough world we're in, you understand? My friend said to me this morning, she said, Jay, you're so nice. You listen to people and you're quick. You will listen to them, give them chance to talk, and then you just blush. You understand? Yeah. My face too. CAMISHA 39. Girl, you have sense. My face too. I will say so. Sandra says so. Sandra Smith. I think so as well. The whole bag of them just take footwork gone. But my grand crazy them. I'm so love what he said. My granddad said is the word. You understand? Yeah, my granddad said is the word. Yeah, my friend I said to me, said, Jay, you're so nice. And I true, I'm nice, And people always paint me. My heart full and terrible and disgusting. But if me do something, I put my hand up to it. So I'm not playing a old fin and a blood clot, she closing. I'm going to give people long length. Long length, so that I listen. I see all I say something good to me, I'll shoot you, bullet you. I'm a spirit work with. Maybe it's not where you say on spot, why I'm a bullet you, but you deserve the bulletin. But can't remember, Queenie don't can't listen to people about my life. I'm still telling them I can't listen to 300 odd people. May I just get married yet? Queenie don't listen to who? No know my future. I don't shut the fuck up. No can dictate to me. I just reach me so far being myself. That's why I have 300,000 followers. Sit down and watch me for the good, the bad, the indifference, the unruliness, the stubbornness, the door ear, the awful, the love, the kind, the caring, everything we make Queenie. None of blood clot, none of go change my dirty blood clot. I want to know my type to tell myself, allow me from a little bit of some stay, and that's why I have a good, nice spirit. Come a belt to the half and vomit to the out and move on. Me now hold on in a blood clot, man. Leave it alone there. So when some of people turn down Pama one, I say blood clot. What a good thing me disgraceful and awful. Another bust my blood clot, but blood vessel. I may just say yeah, blood vessel for blood vessel. I say I'm a cuss, I say, God, oh, me now drop down. Hey, God, you're great, My mouth dry. So no want me for change none and tell me shit on my blood clot. Yes, I'm for change to people. Me not busy doing that one. I years me I tell them say me I go feed Grammy, I'm go up there and them offend me, I trip back and walk blood clot. If me for suffer, me I suffer. I'm tired for telling her that I still not understand. You said me comply with somebody and say me and them a ride and die. I comply for that. Nobody can force me and tell me that no mansion, no yacht, no submarine, no material, nothing. I work with my energy and my spirit. I don't give a fuck. I let me get 10 blood clot manager. And them tell me, say, me for bite battery jar. Me have for one bite that battery jar myself. But that business is nobody want share. Baby, I have 53, 54, That's for baby that, Otherwise, customers say I'm old for one reason. But I remember I'm trapping on my ways. You understand me? Yes, and the way how I am as a person, I work with energy. So if I come to you, I'm an energy not connect to you, no matter what you have for offer. You see, if I come to you, I'm an energy connect to you, when you kill me to pussy clock, me I get a chance on top of chance and chance on top of chances. Cause I see something there where I fight for. But if my energy say go, I don't give a fuck with the behind it. That means it's not mine. Understand? And everything for everybody, All right. From when them tell me, from I give my name Queen Lady Gangster, I was a gangster, Then I turn Lady Gangster. Then I call myself the Queen Lady Gangster. A lady said to me one time, said, don't change your name. Because some marketing, people are going to look for you. So I said to her, I said, lady, what is three name? The Queen is a standout name. Lady is a standout name. So why would you use the gangster and judgment? I say, I not change my name. It carry me to the world. Around 15 years ago, I tell a man that, or 10 years, whatever is the case. I see me today. Which promoter when I want to book me? Which who I keep at it? I don't give a fuck. Me book myself. And if I not make no money I found, I'm satisfied with what me have. I'm a candidate for hungry. I have nothing to worry about. I am the fucking queen. And I'm loved by the world. So who know I book me today? Somebody else will book me tomorrow. And the day come, the day come. I have many purpose, and that's the difference in me. Me's not just an artist. What, baby? Do you know some point, man? Yeah, thank you. How you gonna get it, girl? Bring it. Maybe black the camera. Come. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. So one of my one and my one. So nobody can blackmail me and threaten me. No materialistic, you know. You understand me? I love peace. I like the peaceful more than materialistic. That's why I'm so powerful. Body can't trick me with nothing at all. No man can't see me and date me and get me. And look me and get me. A man have to conquer me. If it's a rat bat and him conquer me and my rat bat, I saw me look for life. Because from that person conquer me, there is something about that person. Men a fuck about. I mean, I don't fuck. I'm too powerful. I know I'm power. If my I don't fuck any boy, man, or rascal, go to they're going to reveal me. Remember me, mark my word. Them now go sit down. Me as a great woman, I don't know what my journey is. But me just have to trust and obey in a God. I know God is not dead, he's alive. And fight for myself. And me and God always fight for myself. No matter who support me, I'm going to support me because you know I'm strong. I'm a fight for myself. And I appreciate that. So by seeing that, it even made me stronger. But everything was to me is my determination, my awfulness. Instead of sitting down, make people put me down, I just put down everybody and class everybody and dig up the grave and take the skeleton and name the skeleton and bury back the skeleton. So everybody feels some type of way. But other than that, I am a true genuine soul. You can't take me for foot clot. You can't take me and walk over me. When me see I wipe your foot from me 2 blood clot after no, I say, no man. This foot clot I forgot wash and go up in the sun, go rascal get some vitamin D. My friend said to me this one, she said, Jay is so nice. You know, just get up and attack people. Melissa, if Melissa, my spirit said, shut! Move on a dirty blood clot, I shoot him. Radam! I'm true, man. But big up my right crazy them. I have some true authentic crazies. I have some things that I remember. I'll bring it back to me. And then I tell my customer I appreciate it. Because I made the fish lamp on the camera and look at myself more than it. So when the customer and tell me, say, I'm disgusting, that's why I'm a customer back. Because I'm fucking disgusting as much as I am. Because you know, encouragement. Encouragement strength of labor. Yes, we love you, Queenie. Yes, and by sitting here with me and then I bash me, it doesn't make calm the bitch 2 peas who have someone on disability. What does that mean? She feel calm a bitch. 2 peas who have someone on disability. What do you mean by that? Crazy never lazy. What do you mean by that, Chiffy? Genius. Better watch your car enough. Better be able to tell by have my daughter car. I have to watch it outside. Because of my car, so it not register here. So I do whole heap of something at the same time. She for 2 peas, nah talk. Why? Why? They not like me. You ever be strong and terrible and mighty. If you never strong and terrible and mighty to pussy class, you know that say R.I.P. to Queen a long time, keep 9 nights and eat fish and bread. I don't have no blood clot fish and bread over me. No go. Wall away I feel some type of way. And true. You're very sensitive. I'm very sensitive. I'm very sensitive. I'm rough. I'm aggish. I'm vulgar. I'm loud. Sensitive. I'm caring. I'm kind. I'm nice. All heap of things about me. Everything about me. I don't know. Sometimes I see people who look down upon me. I just don't treat them now. It's sort of the word challenge me. discriminate me different level. Remember, I know right crazy. It's all good for us. Queen and not pay the people them no mind. Because they're not speaking about you. If you sit down right here, sir, them a talk about SK. But I'm going to talk about SK. Anything where they want to talk about SK are my son. So anything him is a for me. I can't disown him. He's not the average type, but disown them love one for who them is. And can't stand them. I accept everybody for what them is. And nobody can tell me about my son. You see with me, yeah? It's so nice. Or a man to my daughter and say to my daughter, say, your mom is so nice. But when she gets horrible, she gets horrible. It's a balance. That horrible side of me, I have to protect my energy. I have to protect me as a queen. You can't be nice. You have to kiss ass before you kick it. And when ass I get kicked, nobody not like that, but I'm like when them ass I get kissed. You understand? So a lot of us, queen call me